welcome to another class. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. Today we are studying how much, how many. To put it shortly, to explain it quickly, how much is uncountable. Much is uncountable. Do you remember some things we can count? One pen. Where are my others? I have lots somewhere here. Okay, there they are. Yeah. So, one pen, two pens, yeah? 3 pens, 4 pens, 5 pens, 6 pens. These are countable. I can count pens. Okay? I can easily count pens. I can count big black gloves. 1 glove, 2 gloves, 3 gloves. It's easy, yeah? No problem. But I can't count everything. Yeah, I can't count money. I can't say 1 money, 2 monies, 3 monies. It sounds strange. I can't say 1 work, 2 works, 3 works. I can say 1 job. Job is countable. 1 job, 2 jobs. Yeah, so maybe you say he does 2 jobs. But you can't say 2 works. You can't. It's uncountable work. Money is uncountable. Time, when you mean how much time, when you mean how long, is uncountable. How much time do you spend on your homework every day? I spend 1 hour every day on my homework. So how much time means how long. It means how many minutes. Yeah, minutes are countable. Yeah, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And anything which you can put an S on the end, minutes, hours, that they are countable. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. It's countable. Hours is countable. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. It's countable. So how many hours, how many minutes, how much time means how many hours, how many minutes. So how much time do you spend on your homework? I spend 60 minutes every day. I spend 1 hour every day. Okay, so work is uncountable. Money is uncountable. Time is uncountable. Water. Yeah, you can't say 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters. So how much water do you drink every day? Something like that. But yeah, anything with an S is countable. So 1 banana, 2 bananas, 1 apple, 2 apples, 1 friend, 2 friends. And we do say 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So how many times with an S, but how much time? No S, yeah? For example, how many times do you go to the gym every week? I don't go to the gym. I never go to the gym. So I don't go to the gym any times. We can say this. I don't go to the gym any times. I don't go to the gym. Okay? So we have how much and how many. We also have a little, a few. If you want to say 30% or maybe 50%, if you want to say, well, maybe you say, Dave, how many friends do you have, Dave? How many friends do you have? I will answer, I have a few friends. Yeah, I have a few friends. I don't have many friends. I have a few friends, I think many friends is 50, maybe 30, 40, 50. But I think a few is more like 10, 15. I have a few friends in this town. I have a few friends. So it means some. I have some friends. Not too many. Too many is 200 friends. And I don't remember their names. I don't remember their faces. It's too many. It's negative. 2 is negative. It's negative. It's not good. So I have a few friends. But maybe you only have 3 friends and you say, Dave, I don't have many friends. I don't have many friends. Friends is countable, so it must be few or many. But if you say, Dave, how much money, Dave? How much money do you have? I will answer, I have very little money. Yeah, I can't say very little. I can't say very few money. It's not possible. I can't say very few money. Very few is countable. So it's very few friends, very few apples, very few bananas, but very little work, very little money. So I have very little money. Yeah, very little money, not much money. And if you say I have a little money, it means some. It means some. I have a little money. It means some, maybe a few thousand in the bank. It's not true. I don't have much money. I have very little money. And you can say I don't have any money. We saw this in a previous class. In the last lesson, we studied some and any. 0% any. I don't have any money, or I don't have any friends if I have 0 friends. I don't have any bananas if I have 0 bananas. Okay? So remember, too much time, too much money, too much work. So, at the moment, I have too much work. I have lots and lots of work and it's too much. It's too much. I need a holiday. I need a break. I need to relax. And so I have too much work. Or maybe you say, Queen Elizabeth and Prince Charles, they have too much money. Yeah, they have too much money. It's bad. They have so much money, it's bad. It means, in my opinion, when you have too much money, you become a bad person. Like Queen Elizabeth, like Prince Charles. Okay, they have too much money. Billions and billions and billions, and countries, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. It's Queen Elizabeth's. They have too much money and too much land. Too many countries. Too many countries. Okay, so the royal family have too much money. That's when you have more than you need. More and it's bad. It's more and it's bad. But we also say not enough. So